Present competitive environment demands necessity to change due to increased complexities and the challenges are there. So, in this highly demanding environment, how about reconstituting the pattern of teaching and learning with new revolutionary methodology? How about learning new effective teaching and learning methods? Learning new instructional methods, strategies, and technologies. So, how it can be done? Hi, this is Dr. Sapna Malviya. You're watching my talk. In today's video, I'll give you 5 validated smart technique for effective teaching and learning. By teaching you learn and by learning you teach. So how it can be done? By interaction. Interaction is very important feature. It is an essential tool for both teacher and learner, whether to acquire basic skills or to transform it into expertise. So how it works? It works very simply. Let's get going. So for interaction, first thing you have to learn is questioning. Questioning is a key skill for teacher and learner. Develop own abilities to raise and formulate questions. Raising question and knowing the right questions to ask is an important learning skill. So, how it can be done? It can be done with Bloom's taxonomy. Students should learn and teachers should teach. Bloom taxonomy has different set of verbs. First is remember. Remember verbs are define, who, what, name, list, select, underline. Like define communication. Second one is understanding verbs. Understanding to understand the main idea behind it. To summarize the idea in own words. Explain, interpret, outline are some of the examples. Third one is applying. To apply the information that is learned, solve, apply, predict. Analyzing verbs. To analyze and identify. Next one is evaluating verbs. To evaluate, find, select, and decide. Last one is creating verbs. To create, invent, and compose. These are the set of verbs required in the Bloom's taxonomy which can help you to formulate questions. So teacher has to plan, then teach, and then assess the quality of students. Similarly goes with learners. They have to plan, learn, and then assess. Now, quickly I'll give you 5 validated smart techniques for learning and teaching. First thing, which is the basic requirement, is effective learning by enhancing personal development skills. First one is very basic, that is communication. To speak, to write, and to listen, how to convey idea is an art. You should learn to do it. It goes with your body language, your facial expression, your eye contact with the person. What is the voice frequency? How the convener is understanding? What is the cognitive content you are giving to the speaker? How you respond to your audience? What is the culture and discussion guidelines? Next one is interpersonal skills. It includes verbal and non-verbal behavior, your ability to build relationship. Now, for interpersonal skill, the requirement is self-confidence. Self-confidence is very important for any type of collaboration. Anyone listening you will judge it by your confidence level. So you have to believe in your abilities, your actions and decisions, and then only will gain that confidence. Next one is your organizational skills. Organizational skills is the ability to plan, schedule, and prioritize your work. How it happens? You have to working off on your master list. You can start prioritizing your task by monthly, weekly, and daily goals. You can make your master list, and then you have to prioritize your work on the basis of monthly, weekly, and daily. You have to list down your task, you have to prioritize it, you have to rank it, and then only estimated time can be judged to get the result. Then comes problem solving. Every time you have to stay calm and quiet regarding the problems. Your ethics should be reliable, and you should have the capability to motivate yourself and others. Then you can improve and overcome your fears. So, in this parameter of effective parameters, enhancing personal and development skills, these were the points. So, how to do it, how to improve it, overcome your fear. First thing is public speaking. You have to observe people listening and then gain the confidence. You have to start writing a journal. So, journal writing, you gain a confidence. First thing is it is a handwritten. So, it is your private thing. You can list it down, you can write it properly, and then you can share your thought by blogging also. So, these are the parameter you can enhance your interpersonal skill. Second one is building your expertise and sharing the knowledge. See, skills everyone have. The need of the hour is to transform into expertise. So, how you will establish that? How you will build your reputation? Because transforming your skills to expertise builds your reputation. So, how it can be done? You start writing a blog, discussing people, be a resource to other people. Means if you are aware of anything, spread it out, give the useful piece of information rather than keeping on to yourself. Take a lead in any directions. If work is assigned to you, you encourage everyone in the team and share your expertise with them. This was all about build your expertise and share your knowledge. Third thing, which is very important, is think outside the box. Push yourself. Ask why. You have to think outside the box. So, for thinking outside the box, first thing which is required is free writing. Picking a topic and writing whatever you want to write. It's a very important thing. It just help you flow on pen and paper rather than on computer. Draw a picture. Just pick tools whatever you have and use your crayons and completely draw it on your paper. It should be free from your thought. Then mapping is very important. You draw a picture, you write a word or phrase, circle around it, draw a branch related to that phrase, circle it, repeat the practice. It will unlock your ideas. A very important thing in thinking outside the box is take a walk. A research study has revealed that if you take a walk for a short time, it will definitely build your ideas and you can think different. Fourth thing is use technology. It is a 360-degree approach. See, every time giving worksheets and lecture does not take a flow. It should be something different. Means if you are giving your lectures, you invite a guest speaker. Go for a field trip. Learn in outdoors. Technology is a very important aspect. Use digital technology, use blended learning, use flipped learning. These technologies empower the educator. It personalizes the learning. It helps the students to use the skills and competitives. It will help to assess a real-time feedback. So technology will transform education. I was talking about blended learning. Blended learning is also known as hybrid learning, in which teaching integrates technology and digital media with the traditional methods. It will definitely do magical transformation among teaching and learning. Fifth thing is show them their success and tell anecdotes. See, students make improvement when they hear their accomplishments. Whether it is small or big, it highly matters. The matter is that they should be aware about their acknowledgements, their success, their positivity develop and groom because of this. So in this session, I can conclude it with that transform the education through the skills, build skills, transform into expertise, use your atmosphere, use technology, think out of box, build your interpersonal and intrapersonal skills, be confident. Meet you again shortly. If you like our work, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.